Guys, if you are coming to China and you're gonna take the fast train between Beijing and Shanghai, it's called Beijing Shanghai High-speed Railway line, and you must stick with this video until the last moment, otherwise your journey might be ruined, since there are two stations called Suzhou, S-U-Z-H-O-U. Let's check the first one. Suzhou East. And we get down. Suzhou North. So it's pretty confusing, isn't it? So I have to tell you, this Suzhou East actually is pronunciated as Suzhou. Suzhou is a city in Anhui province. So if you are going to Suzhou, you have to get off at a Suzhou North. Okay, remember, don't get off at Suzhou. Suzhou is a city in Anhui province. This one. Suzhou is a city near Shanghai. It's in Jiangsu province. Okay, guys, if you know there are two Suzhous in advance, you are going to be very careful. Okay, when you get off the train, you must be very careful. If you get off at the wrong station here, so your whole journey will be destroyed. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. See you. Bye bye everyone.